Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is extremely simple to make and takes only 15 to 20 minutes. White sauce pasta. Silky smooth and aromatic flavor, guaranteed way to delight your taste buds. So let's begin. To this we want some vegetables. First cut the all vegetables. Here I am taking 3 to 4 garlic, 1 medium sized onion, half of the carrot, we want 1 whole capsicum. Here I am taking 3 different colors. You may take any single color. And 1/4 cup corns. Cut the all vegetables into cubes. First, let's cook the pasta. Here I am taking penne pasta. You may take any of your choice. Cook the pasta according to the instructions given on the package. Boil 4 to 5 cups of water in a deep saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon salt and a tablespoon oil. Bring it to boil over medium flame. When start boiling, add a cup of pasta. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Don't overcook. To check whether pasta is cooked or not, take one pasta, cut and check. And it's perfect. Drain the excess water and wash with the cool water and it's done. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon oil and then add chopped garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add chopped onion. Saute. Goes in remaining vegetables and half a teaspoon salt. Stir and cook until veggies are cooked. Don't overcook. It should be little crunchy texture. And then add half a teaspoon black pepper powder for extra spiciness. It's optional. If you don't want, you may skip this and keep aside. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons butter and melt it. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Stir continuously and cook for a minute. Pour 2 cups milk little by little while stirring continuously with a whisk. Stir and mix for 1 or 2 minutes. Reduce flame to low. Continue stirring and cooking until mixture starts to thicken. Toss in 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half a teaspoon dried parsley. Mix it together. You may add any herbs of your taste. Then add cooked vegetables and pasta and mix well combined. Check the salt. For the extra taste, you may add shredded mozzarella cheese while they are still hot. White sauce will continue to thicken as it cools down, so serve and enjoy pasta while they are still hot. Garnish with crushed chillies and dried parsley and enjoy with your loved ones. That's all for today. Hope you like it. If so, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, bye. Thank you.